Assalamu alaikum everyone, it's Farzeen and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great, and today we're going to make a Christmas flipbook. For that you're going to need 3 pieces of 6 by 8 and a quarter and one piece of cardstock that is 6 by 7 and 3/4, and score the 3 pieces ½ inch on the 8 and a quarter side and just bend and burnish, and you'll have 3 you'll have 3 flaps that will go on top of each other to make a flipbook. Just add your score tape or use your glue to join them all together. This is how you're going to put them together, and you'll have the form of a flipbook. This is how you're going to do it. And you have to put that last piece that we didn't score on the last flap of the last remaining flap of the flipbook, and your flipbook base will be all complete. And once you have the flipbook, you'll need some designer paper to add on top of these. I'm using these designs, and these measure 5 3/4 by 7.5. You'll need all the pieces measure the same, and you just have to put them on top of all the flaps. Just leave the last one. We're going to add a pocket on there, and yeah, we'll add a pocket and we'll make that in a minute. For the pocket you need a piece that measures 2.5 by 8 3/4, and just score a ½ inch on all 3 sides and just bend and burnish. You can add your score tape before cutting off the corners. Use your scissors to cut off the corners on the bottom, just so you can bend the score lines easily and put it on the book. Just add your score tapes, or you can use your glue. Like I'm going to use my glue and score tape to put it on the book, and just cover it up. This is a little short. This will be a little shorter than 7 3/4, and the pocket base, I mean, not the designer paper. Just measure it, and you can just keep a 1/4 inch shorter. Keep the designer paper a 1/4 inch shorter on 2 sides, and you'll have a perfect size. And after you're done with the pocket, just cover up your the white paper with scraps, your cardstock with scraps. You can use your scraps however you want. I'm going to use my scraps to cover it up. And yeah, after that we're going to just decorate the whole thing. We're going to decorate the inside and outside of the book, and we'll have the flipbook all ready. And yeah, this is how mine turned out. I added some scraps, and we have a pocket there. Now we'll start off from the very first page. I'm going to use some die cuts and some sheets of cardstock, craft color cardstock that measure 4 1/4 by 3 1/4, and I'm going to use all those pieces to make the photo mats, and then decorate the whole page, all the pages, with some die cuts. After you're done decorating all the pages, just add some ribbon on the outside. I'm using this red ribbon to make the closure. Just put it on the base with some score tape and cover the base up with some designer paper. You can use any designer paper you want, and the designer paper will measure 5 3/4 by 6.5. And now it's time to decorate the outside. I hope that you guys enjoyed the tutorial, and I hope this was helpful. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, and do share my channel. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care.